Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you a workflow that I use very often in my daily GIS work. Many times I need to take a parcel polygon, extract all its vertices, create a point layer, remove unnecessary fields and calculate a vertex number and X and Y coordinates. Doing this manually again and again takes time and becomes very repetitive. So first, let's see the manual workflow. I start with a parcel polygon layer and first I open Feature Vertices To Points. I select the point layer as input and create a new point layer containing all parcel vertices. Now I remove of the attribute table all unnecessary fields and I add 3 new fields: vertex, coordinates X and coordinates Y. And after this I have to use expressions to calculate the value of each of these fields. The workflow works correctly, but repeating all these steps manually every day becomes slow and repetitive. So now let's automate the entire process using ModelBuilder. In my toolbox, I create a new model called Vertex Parcel. First, I add a polygon feature class as input and set it as parameter. Now I add Feature Vertices To Points and as input I select the parcel polygon layer. Next, I add delete fields to clean the attribute table automatically. After that, I use add multiple fields to create vertex, coordinate X and coordinate Y fields. And finally, I use calculate multiple fields to automatically calculate the vertex number and the X and Y coordinates for every point. Now the model is finished. So let's test it. I click Run, select my parcel polygon layer and execute the model. Automatically, ArcGIS Pro creates a new point layer containing all parcel vertices, vertex number and X and Y coordinates. And that's it. Now with a single click, ArcGIS Pro automatically extracts the parcel vertices, creates the point layer and calculates all the information I need. A simple automation like this can save a lot of time in repetitive GIS workflows. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.